When you want to tie up your hair with your halo in, it's really simple. You just want to sort of lightly pick up your hair and you just want to sort of keep your sides flat, because if you look under here, that's where the halo is, see?
Yeah.
And so as long as that's kept nice and flush and flat and not sort of like bent back or anything or shown, then you're going to be fine tying it back. You can't go too high with them because of the nature of how the halo sits.
Yeah.
If I try and put this too high up, it's sort of going to pull it off your head.
Yeah, cool.
But start nice and low is what we sort of suggest. Get the sides in place, sort of how I was explaining, nice and flat, and then just manipulate the hair. So like if your hair's sort of like that and that's poking out, then you can just manipulate it,
Cover it over.
pin it, or just like push it over. And then you can either tie it off like this, or if you want it a little bit high, if you want to see how high you can get it, just work it up into a ponytail like you normally would, but just keeping in mind that you don't want that to sort of happen. And if that does happen, you'll just have to sort of manipulate it, even grab a section like that, cover over it and pin it. If I tie that off now, this is really rough too. This is just to show you it can be done with this much hair. You want really strong hair ties. And so see how that's kind of poking out? So we can just sort of like pull a bit of hair over. And I mean, it's nice and messy and tussled. See that bit there?
Yeah.
Again, you'll just sort of like either pin it or keep it loose like this. And I love when you've got bits hanging out like this as well. It just looks so nice. So have a look at that.
Cool. That's easy.